are at the NCHI. We are so late today, it's not funny. Bad traffic, my cab cancelled on me. I had to wait to book another cab, and then that cab got late, and then I got stuck in more traffic. So yeah, it's a very, very bad start to the day. But we are here, and we managed to get quite a bit done already. Reva's already cut the stencil for the logo. I finished this, which I think isn't a bad thing to do today. Yeah, I mean, we should start off pretty soon. We're just getting into the groove of things, making up for lost time, and should be fun. I will update you soon. So, apologies for the unflattering angle, but Reva is at the moment making a portrait of me. Reva, how is it coming along? At the moment, it seems that my face has been pancake on her page, as we both agree. But I'm trying my best not to move too much, if we can actually still fix it a little bit, if we possibly can. Although at this point, neither of us care. This is what we do. And we're done with the portrait. This is what Reva managed to come up with. Is this me? Can you make out? Can you make out? But we're quite happy how it turned out finally. She managed to make some fixes by adding a bit of a dark circle underneath. So it looks quite interesting. Reva, are you happy with what you've done? Finally happy? Yay. So now the bad start of the day has turned good. Success. Guys, it's been so much of fun working on this painting today that I've completely forgotten to vlog. But here is where we are. Since the last time you saw it at least. We've just been sitting around mainly taking turns painting the canvas. Reva and I have also done these two. So here's one and here's the second one. Just some fun small little sketches, and yeah, I mean, we're going to keep doing this. We've got about 3.5 to 4 hours left, so we're going to try and finish up the painting in that much time, and yeah, I guess I'll see you there. It's time for a coffee break. We're all out of the cold and we're sort of warming up a little bit. Happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? well, it's better than nothing. I'm having a hot chocolate that wasn't hot at first, and then halfway down it burnt my mouth. So now my teeth are hurting, my tongue is on fire, but it still tastes better than, well, at least the coffee that she had yesterday. She basically had like sugar. What is it?
Special chassis.
And then half of it just spilled down her top yesterday because of an idiot who
Don't
bumped into
remind
her.
me that, please.
So yeah, today we're sort of better off, surviving somehow. We still have about 2.5 hours to go before we can wrap up. So the painting is almost finished, as you saw in the last clip. So yeah, it should be done, and then we can just go home and fall asleep and die. We're almost done. Reva's putting the final touches on, and then she's going to sign the painting as well, since I've already finished my little bit and signed my name. I don't know if you can hear me because there's a lot of shouting going on. Somebody's winning a prize apparently. But yeah, I think we're almost done. This is our handiwork. I think I need to retouch the door a little bit because a couple of marks have come onto it. But yeah, I think we should be done pretty soon. We are done. I think we're pretty much going to leave now in a bit. We packed up everything. We are all finished, and this is what we made. We had fun doing it. A lot of fun. So I think we're going to just finish up now, wrap up, head home. And we don't know what we're doing tomorrow. We're probably going to do something from a book. I'm going to bring a couple of books and we're going to try and see what we can do. Either a still life or some kind of 15th century painting that we will have to make up. We have no idea, but we'll see tomorrow. And I will see you guys tomorrow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!